And today, yes, Cheyenne. And today we are back you with another video. Today we're doing a cooking challenge, and I feel like I'm going to win.
No, I won last round, so.
They didn't call me, so I didn't know. So now we're doing lunch and dinner. So I'm doing lunch right now. They didn't call me and tell me to cook it up, but it's all right.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be making some toast and something else. It's a mystery. I don't know what I'm making yet.
I'm making. No, hold on. Let me put them on mute. Put them on mute. All right, guys, they can't hear me, but I'm making like I'm trying to stay healthy, I guess. Noodles is not kind of healthy, so yeah. But I'm making noodles. I'm gonna get some yogurt on the side and a bottle of water, like yogurt after my little snack, like my little noodles. Yeah. Hopefully I'll win. Hopefully the judge pick me for this round. Wait. Who won the last round?
Cheyenne.
So Cheyenne got 1 point. Me and Calvin got 0. This is going on for the whole week. And what's today, Monday?
Yeah.
So we doing this tomorrow again, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna come back to the camera when somebody done.
I'm just adding onions.
She added onions to her noodles. I'm still cooking. Calvin's still cooking, so yeah. Be back. What's up, y'all? So I'm done. This is my yogurt, my noodles, my water. That's all I need. Cause yeah, I ate breakfast and I'm kind of still full. But yeah, your boy gotta eat lunch, so yeah.
Can you judge it for us?
Yeah, judge it for us, Donnie.
Is Calvin done? Yeah. Wait, no, I don't think he's done. He's never done.
He's never done. I'm done. I'm done, though.
Donnie, you remember what he did last time to me? Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
What did he do?
I just have to open this. No, it's always something, and you take a whole hour. I got to open this.
Oh, I knew he was cooking a hamburger. I knew it.
Oh, I knew he was cooking a hamburger. I knew it.
That's why I saw bread in the air fryer. No, I knew it.
And that's why I saw bread in the air fryer. No, I knew it.
I showed y'all my food.
Donnie, let me show you what I made. So I didn't really present it much, so it's kind of boring.
No, let's do it all at the same time. No,
3,
like
2. You know, I'm just gonna talk. Okay, so I didn't present it a lot because there wasn't really much to present. But there's scrambled eggs, cheese, with some onions, and this. I wasn't even looking. Okay, cheesy noodles with scrambled eggs and onions and some onions. That sounds like something. But I didn't really present it a lot, so. It still sounds pretty good. Yeah, it was so fun.
okay, Donnie, you ready to see mine?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So I got some noodles and a water. No, Cheyenne, you copied us. I got some noodles and a water and like yogurt for like dessert after.
Yogurt?
Yeah, yogurt.
Yeah, yogurt.
Alright, so first we're gonna put some like your mama. It kind of seems like you copied Cheyenne.
Hell no.
Hell no.
It's Calvin's turn to show his food because me and Cheyenne already showed our food.
My name is DeMarcus.
Don't lie now.
Don't lie now.
All right, but don't mind my crack iPad.
Calvin, just like your mama. Ketchup, the black boy sauce.
Oh my God, boy, come on.
Are you saying that ketchup's only for black boys?
You know I'm recording, right? You don't know I'm recording, right?
That was Calvin. That was done. That was not Calvin. That was not me.
Calvin, I got you on video saying it.
Exactly.
With your lips.
You better do that. Get hot in 4K, bro. Just like I got caught in 4K shooting on these guys in 2K.
Oh.
All right, are you ready, Calvin?
Yep.
Man, this man made 2 sandwiches.
So first,
Donnie, you ready for him?
we got that slap.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You got that slap your mama burger. Look at that seasoning.
Calvin, let me.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no.
Oh, bruh. Cheyenne!
Wait, what did he say?
Cheyenne, did you see that?
Ew!
Ew, what is that?
Ew, what is that?
Get off for that one.
No, it's pepper.
No, why did you put pepper on
You're
there?
supposed to make it look good because we can't taste it.
Oh, I forgot.
Wait, hold on. Who's in my rating first? Wait, Cheyenne, show me your dish. Show me your dish.
Okay.
I'm rating you first.
Okay. So here's the drink. Because I didn't have any for lunch, so cheesy noodles with some scrambled eggs inside and some onions and some other stuff.
I don't like onions.
Ooh,
They make people cry.
ooh.
That depends. There's a way to stop them from crying. I make you cry, but
Okay, but the eggs inside the noodles do sound pretty good.
and the bowl.
10 out of 40. I'm gonna have to give you a
Please.
30.
Oh man.
34.
Yes. That's too
Yes!
much. That's fine.
All right, Floyd, you're next.
Oh, I'm next. Okay, hold on. Probably him. So I got
Are you
some.
putting syrup on there? Oh, that's your pancakes.
I got some ramen, or water, and yogurt. And
On
yogurt.
your burger, I would have just rated you.
Donnie, are you paying attention to his food?
Wait, hold on. Let me see.
Ew, why is it in the mug?
Wait, hold on. So what's that, Floyd? So what's in the noodles?
Noodles.
No, it's noodles and cheese.
Why the you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God! Stop lying.
Stop
Are you copying me?
No, you see how it's sticky and everything? Oh my God!
Wow. Hey, Floyd, let me see the yogurt.
Strawberry.
And what drink do you have?
Water. Stay hydrated.
No.
Stay hydrated.
Yes, stay hydrated.
Floyd added dessert. That might
Yeah.
Floyd.
Yeah, I added dessert.
Floyd, Cheyenne's beating you by 1 point.
So I got 30 what?
33.
Let's go. At least I'm not.
Okay, so who won?
No, you didn't rate Calvin yet.
Calvin's.
He's already eating.
You didn't even show us.
He did, but he's already eating.
Right, he already eating.
Okay, so we got this like your mama burger. You want to see about it? Yeah, show us the inside. No, I don't know. You can't get rated off of that.
Why does the
No, Donnie, you already saw the inside, so you can just still rate from that.
I don't like how the bun looks. It looks weird. But show us what does the inside look like, Calvin?
Oh my God.
No.
Yeah, you have to. No, don't scrape nothing off.
It's pepper.
Y'all, I'm not gonna show y'all that because it look like he say it's pepper, but who knows what it is.
It is pepper, but who knows what it is?
With that pepper.
And he took a bite of his cheese. He took a bite of his thing when he was while cooking. I got video edit.
Ew!
You guys are dirty minded. You're dirty minded.
I started eating. I didn't even get to rate yours.
You're gonna give the judge half-eaten food? That's just
Right, that's messed up.
we should be disappointed. pancake?
A half a pancake and a juice.
Last round. I know the juice.
No, I feel like Donnie, I'm not telling you what to pick, but I feel like that's too much sweet syrup and all the juice and yeah.
Calvin, how dare you try and feed me a half-eaten sandwich?
Me trying to win,
like,
y'all.
Where are your manners? Exactly.
So Cheyenne won this round. I'm in second place, and it looked like Calvin's in third. So no. What did you rate him of?
29.
Oh.
No, you're the worst person now. Right there, you was on top. Now you at the bottom.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Wow. Oh, okay. Fine. The highest I'm gonna give you is 30 is a 31. No, you're still on the bottom.
No, don't do that, Donnie.
I'm gonna make you win when you took a bite.
Right? And you.
Yeah, like it's Corona. You're giving him germs. You're trying to get him sick by looking at
Let me eat my food, y'all.
Calvin,
I lied. There's no cheese in my noodles.
But I would have given you. I would have like. Wait, I still would have put you in third place. Exactly. No, it's just because of that bun with the ketchup everywhere like that. No.
No, it was that pepper.
Honestly, if you didn't even start eating, I probably would have put you in second place. Not gonna lie. Oh. That's a game play.
He's talking to you.
You would have put me in second, and you would have been in third. Exactly. No words. That's your fault for eating. That's your fault.
No, he been eating since he was cooking.
Oh, well, you a snitch.
I have proof. It's gonna be in the video anyway. I have proof.
You got lucky that Calvin started eating before.
He been eating, so thank you God.
Yeah, you already knew you was gonna lose with that trap.
I didn't lose. Look who lose with all that pepper.
You still got him second place.
That's what you get for eating all that pepper. Bro, we watching you eat. Like, come on. The camera right here, it sees. Oh, it didn't see you. All right, y'all. But I'm gonna peace. Yeah. Bye. Oh, I'm